So I just wrap up another shoot with two bad boys. One is actually continue to work, but today I want to talk with you about this one. This is Giraffe360, and I want to talk about my impressions after using this camera for quite some time and how it actually impacted my business. If you saw my first video about this camera review, unboxing and first field test, you might recall that I was really impressed with the quality of the camera, how easy to use this camera, but I didn't want to make like quick conclusion about it, and I wanted to use it for some time. And now, like after a few months of using this camera, I made my conclusion, because first I wasn't sure, like still this camera is very powerful and delivers like excellent image quality and has a lot of features, but I wasn't sure would it fit my business, like how it fit, how can I use it in combination with my existing services, do I need to remove any of the services or just replace the camera, like, and all the other questions that you might ask yourself as well. So today I wanna just share my thoughts about it and share my honest feedback after quite some time, because as I mentioned, I've been using this camera for quite some time, and actually the answers, I got the answers from my client, from the projects that I did, and I would like to share them with you. Turns out I ended up using Giraffe360 in a few different ways depending on the client. And first of all, I created a dedicated package, I call it the Listing Pro. And this package I do only with Giraffe360. It handles everything. So I shoot photos with this camera itself, I create 360 tour, floor plan, and also the system generates property websites and full marketing package and many other features. So I do one visit, I use one camera and deliver like full media package. Others want the full production on top of that, so sometimes my clients would like to use the combo, so I do all these features that the Giraffe360 delivers, but I also take pictures with my Sony cameras, I do video separately, I do drone, and the whole thing that Giraffe360 adds the marketing layer on top of it. So same visit and significantly more I can deliver along with the services that I delivered before. And sometimes I use the Giraffe360 just an add-on to provide my clients high quality 360 tour. That's it, like clean, fast, and it's done. And actually what I like about it, that's actually there are multiple ways to scan the property, and you can adapt accordingly based on what your client needs. If it's just the 360 tour, it's really fast. You place it here in another spot, it connects perfectly, it creates the floor plan. And if you would like to deliver like the full suite, like also the AI generated video, so basically you use the double scan, because this camera has two scan options, double and single scan. So basically you do this the double scan, and you need to do like more scans, a little bit longer, but in the end of the day you get not just the 360 tour but also the videos and all the other services. What I like about it, that you can really, you're flexible with this scanning option. So nothing has changed about how I shoot. I just have more to offer right now at the end of the same visit. While I was amazed right away with the image quality, with the set of services this camera is capable of, I didn't realize that it also has another powerful feature, and it's called Listing Spotlight. And actually I didn't expect that my clients will appreciate it even more than just the image quality and the 3D tour. So basically there is the whole marketing side of this service. So what actually Listing Pro is, it's like the built-in suite inside the Giraffe360 tour, where you can handle all the media. It also has this, like I call it, like Canva-like option feature, where agents can go, and actually how agents can go, so I can create users and add them to the account. They can see just the listings that they own or represent. So they can log in, go into this listing spotlight, and they have the full suite of the marketing assets there. Like they can create not just the post, like photo post, like they can combine like different media, like photos, like the floor, I mean the video, they can download it, basically use it right away. And it's also is powerful in terms of editing, so it creates you automatically all the videos and all the templates with the just listed, coming soon. My clients have the full control over it, so they can just click on edit and do whatever they want. And there is also AI-generated property description, virtual staging, and twilight options, and AI drone fly-through, as I mentioned before. The last thing, actually, it's not ready to replace the drone itself, but actually, considering that you don't have to do anything separately, it's quite amazing. And what my agent really appreciate, besides the listing spotlight, there is the feature that calls property descriptions. AI can generate the description based on the data that it gets from the scan, like the number of bedrooms, square footage, etc. But you can also manually input all the information. There is great list where you can basically add some features and feed your AI with data that is very specific to your listing, and it will generate you property description based on the intake, all the information that you did provide. After a few months of using this camera, here where I landed. So I combined perfectly my existing cameras and other gear that I use along with the Giraffe360, and I didn't have to change my workflow and in order to provide more services. And actually that's very valuable, because to be honest, what agents struggle the most with, they struggle with how to promote their listing, how to market it, where to get this social media content. This camera and the software behind it, the dashboard, all the features actually gives them this options where they can not only get the media to promote to online, but also they provide the different assets that they can use for their marketing needs. And I can say for sure, after using this camera for quite some time, this camera can produce and deliver one of the best image quality in terms of 360 tour, one of the smoothest user experience, and also another thing that really amazed me, and I like the guys from Giraffe360 introduces new features so fast, even faster that I can lose any of my kilograms or pounds. You might ask me, is this camera is perfect? And you know what? Nothing in this world is perfect. Possibly just this channel. So to make sure you subscribe to it. Seriously, nothing is perfect in this world, but they improving all the time. They listen to the feedback. There are some features that needs to be improved, but in general, what we have right now, that's the full suite that actually flawlessly fit in my business. So as you can see, I don't only do the media right now, but I provide marketing solutions to my client. And if you are a real estate photographer or run a real estate media agency and trying to figure out how you can add more services to your clients without changing actual workflow, I strongly suggest you to check this camera and the features it's capable of. I will leave the link in the description, and also you can scan the QR code on the screen and use my code for the extra discount. And thanks for staying with me and watching this video. I hope you like it. Make sure you subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave the comment down below. See you in the next one.